Chola dynasty. The Cholas are remembered as one of the longest ruling dynasties in the southern regions of India. This section of the timeline witnesses the onset of a new culture, and art flourishes like never before. The temples and literature of this time still serve testimony to this ecstatic period of history. Chola dynasty, Chola also spelled Kola, South Indian Tamil rulers of unknown antiquity, antedating the early Sangam poems, c. 200 CE. The dynasty originated in the rich Kaveri river valley. Urayur, now Tiruchirappalli, was its oldest capital. The legendary King Karikalan was the common ancestor through whom small Deccan and Andhra families called Chola or Koda claimed a connection with the Urayur family. The Chola country, Coromandel, stretched from the Vagai river in the south to Tondamandalam, the capital of which was Kachi, now Kachipuram, in the north. Much of Tamil classical literature and the greater Tamil architectural monuments belong to the Sangam period, which also saw a revival of Shaivism, worship of the god Shiva, and the development of southern Vaishnavism, worship of the god Vishnu. Revenue administration, village self-government, and irrigation were highly organized under the Cholas. Chola kings and emperors bore the titles Parakesharivarman and Rajkesharivarman alternately. Their chronology is difficult. Vijayalaya, reigned c. 850 to 870, began the occupation of the territory of the Pallavas, which was extended under Aditya I, reigned c. 870 to 907. Parantaka I, reigned 907, c. 953, known as the destroyer of Madurai, the capital city of the Pandyas, defeated Sinhalese invaders and united the lands of the Cholas and the Pandyas between 926 and 942. Coming to terms with the Rashtrakutas, he took Nellore from them about 940, but their king, Krishna III, seized Tondamandalam. Rajaraja I, reigned 985 to 1014, an able administrator, protected Vengi, the Godavari districts, and occupied the Gangavadi territory, in present-day Karnataka state, annihilating the western Gangas. By 996, he had conquered Kerala, the Chera country, and acquired northern Sri Lanka. With the booty thus acquired, he built the great Brihadishwara temple at Tanjore, now Tanjavur. By 1014, Rajaraja had acquired the Lakshadweep and Maldive islands. His son Rajendra Kola Deva I, reigned 1014 to 44, outed Rajaraja's achievements. He placed a son on the throne at Madurai, completed the conquest of Sri Lanka, overran the Deccan, circa 1021, and in 1023 sent an expedition to the north that penetrated to the Ganges, Ganga, river and brought Ganges water to the new capital, Gangaikondakolappuram. He conquered portions of the Malay Peninsula and the Malay Archipelago. Rajadhiraja, reigned 1044 to 54, fought the Pandyas and Cheras and defeated the western Chalukya ruler Someshwara I in 1046, but he was killed at the Battle of Koppam, against the Chalukyas, in 1054. The Chola ruler Virrajendra, reigned 1063 to 69, attempted to render the Chalukya empire in the Deccan harmless, but his death enabled Vikramaditya Chalukya to dabble in Chola family quarrels. Kulottunga I, reigned 1070 to 1122, who succeeded to both the Chola and Eastern Chalukya crowns by right of inheritance, wisely abandoned the Deccan and concentrated on uniting the eastern coast. Intrigues concerning the right to the Pandya throne embroiled Cholas, Pandyas, and Sri Lanka, which by then had recovered its independence, from about 1166. From 1216 the Hosla kings obtained lands in the Chola country, Former Chola feudatories threw off their allegiance, northern powers intervened, and the upheaval facilitated the Pandya conquest of the Chola country in 1257. The Chola dynasty ended in 1279.